To go before we move forward. But Devin, great to have you on the show. We let you go on that note. Just check in on what the market open is settling in, and it seems at an index level it's going to be pretty flat. But look out for what the auto names do. We've talked about some of the specific news makers. The sugar pack is going to be active today, as the pre-open rates have already indicated. And then, of course, the entire Motan pack, Hero MotoCorp, after that 8.1% uptick in the sales data that they've seen for the dispatch figures for August, and the others which have also come about. NMDC too, the sales figure is higher by 8%. 3.39 million tons is what they managed to clock. And for Coal India also, the August sales have seen an uptick of 7.6%. The first rates then on your screen, it's pretty quiet to start. 24,650 plus levels on the Nifty right now. As we speak, the first flash on the advanced decline ratio seems to be quite okay. The Nifty Bank absolutely flat right now, but it's the newsmakers which are chugging along nicely. Hero MotoCorp holding up 1% in the green. 5,300 is what the stock is now clocking. I can see good positive moves come in on BEL as well, given that they've secured that additional orders worth about 644 odd crore rupees. So that's the other stock which is in focus. And of course, the other one that you would want to highlight is, there you go, 0.7% higher for BEL. There's Coal India also. There's HDFC Life. Reliance Industries finally moves beyond that 1350 of a struggle that had been stuck in ever since its AGM takeaways. Finally, it moves a little bit higher. But the insurance plays, yes, they are looking pretty bright in trade today. They're in fact outperforming some of the other movers as well in trade. Other than that, of course, look out for what a BSE as well is up to in trade. That stock will just come up for you on your screens. Given that NSE weekly expiry has been moved to Tuesday, BSE, the contracts move to Thursday. BSE starts off with a move of 1% higher, 2,200 levels on BSE as we speak right now. Sugar, that's the sweetest pocket right now, given that the government has now removed all curbs on ethanol production from sugarcane juice and sugar syrup. That entire pack is abuzz, 6% higher for Balrampur as we speak right now. You've got Dhampur, Dwarikesh, Sri Renuka. The entire pack is holding up so steadily in trade. The Zaggle as well, they've also gotten into an agreement with Suryoday Small Finance Bank for their employee expense management. So look out for what that stock also does. There's, of course, UBL, wherein they've commenced the production of the Kingfisher Leos Brewery in Andhra Pradesh. Look out for that too. There's Purvankara. They've got an LOA for a redevelopment project in Mumbai's Malabar Hill, wherein the GDV stands at 2,700 crore rupees. That stock gaps up 4.5% as we speak right now. And then, of course, Coal India, Hero MotoCorp, all reacting to their dispatch numbers. They see it as well. They've acquired Michelin Group's Camso Construction. And that's also another stock in focus, 2% higher for SEAT as we speak right now. And a lot of anticipation around the semicon, which kickstarts today. So look out for the CG Power, Keynes, etc. of the world. They're also going to be in focus. Snehi, anything else that you're spotting?
Yes, Aisha, textile stocks to be closely watched out for today. The centre has extended the application window for the PLI scheme for textiles, and this is going to be open till the end of this month. So let's see something like a Vardhaman, Gokaldas Exports. Some of these stocks should be doing well. Vardhaman about 1% higher as we speak. Other than that too, IGL will be in focus. That's Indraprastha Gas. They've signed the joint venture agreement with RVUNL, like Ashesha was highlighting earlier, to set up solar power projects in Rajasthan. So that stock also about 1% higher. You have, of course, the sugar pack that's doing well, but after that you also have Sun TV that's up about 4%. Phoenix Mills holding up steady, a 3% gain. After that, Motilal Oswal upgrade coming in. Ola continues its run from yesterday, about 2.5% higher. You have Home First, PG Electroplast, HDFC Life, CET, all of them are doing very well. What's not doing all that okay today is GNFC, down 3.5%. Max Healthcare is down 1.5%. So is the case with Granules as well. Tube Investment also down 1%, and Vedanta joining that cut of about 1% as well. So this is what the market texture is looking like at open, and flattish open for us, but at least higher than where we had closed yesterday. So looking good on the Nifty for now. Let's see how the remainder of the day pans out for us.